Have you ever wondered why some people can drastically improve their health, even when doctors have said there's no hope left? The story you are about to discover will challenge everything you thought you knew about kidney health. Imagine being told that dialysis is the only option, and then, in an act of defiance, you find an alternative path that nearly doubles your kidney function in less than 2 months. It might sound too good to be true, but that's exactly what happened to a man who refused to accept the fate imposed on him. We are accustomed to believing that once kidney function is compromised, the only solution is to brace for the worst. However, what if I told you that this belief is far from the truth? That there are natural methods, dietary changes, and lifestyle adjustments that can not only stop the decline but also restore some of the lost function? What you will learn here is not just an alternative but a complete transformation in how we view kidney health. And most importantly, you will discover how you can apply these same strategies to improve your own health. Get ready to dive into a new reality, where the options are vast, and the results are real. Let's explore together how you can challenge expectations and take control of your health in a way you never imagined possible. After all, when it comes to health, every choice we make has the power to change everything. And today's choice could be the beginning of a path that will completely transform your life. Natural remedies doubled kidney function. Imagine a 39-year-old man who, after being diagnosed with end-stage renal failure, was told by doctors that his only chance was dialysis. However, instead of surrendering to this fate, he decided to explore natural alternatives. In just 51 days, he nearly doubled his kidney function, an achievement that seems miraculous to many but reveals the body's power when given the right care. By adopting specific dietary and lifestyle changes, he not only avoided further deterioration but also reversed a condition that seemed irreversible. These changes include the introduction of natural remedies which, when used consistently, brought surprising results. It's not just about adding a few herbs or supplements to your daily routine, but a commitment to kidney health that required discipline and knowledge. He altered his diet to include foods that strengthen the kidneys and eliminated those that could cause further damage. Additionally, he adopted detox practices that, by removing accumulated toxins, allowed his kidneys to recover some of their lost function. It's important to note that this man's example challenges traditional medical recommendations, which often overlook the potential of natural treatments and personalized diets. This raises the question: are we underestimating the power of alternative methods for kidney health? His story is a reminder that there is always hope and alternatives that deserve to be explored, especially when it comes to something as precious as kidney health. Doctors' misleading information. Often, when diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, patients are confronted with discouraging advice from doctors: there's nothing you can do but prepare for dialysis. Unfortunately, this type of guidance continues to be widely disseminated, despite growing evidence to the contrary. This pessimistic view not only demotivates those fighting to maintain their kidney health but also ignores success stories, like the man we mentioned earlier, that challenge this narrative. The reality is that traditional medicine, while powerful, doesn't always embrace new discoveries or natural alternatives that have shown promising results. This can create a barrier for patients who, unaware of other options, passively accept the fate imposed on them. However, it is crucial to question this approach and seek more up-to-date information that recognizes the body's ability to heal when provided with the right resources, such as a proper diet and the use of natural detoxifiers. So, if you or someone you know is facing a difficult diagnosis, remember that medical opinion, while important, is not the only truth. There are other paths that can be explored and that can indeed bring significant improvement in kidney function and overall health. The key is to be proactive and seek knowledge, rather than passively accepting a fate that may not be as immutable as it seems. Effective detoxifiers. The power of detoxifying the body goes far beyond what is imagined, especially when it comes to kidney health. Detoxifiers like phosphate binders and baking soda play a crucial role in improving kidney function. They work silently to remove harmful toxins that would otherwise continue to overburden these vital organs. This not only relieves the kidneys but also allows them to regain some of the capacity that seemed lost. When it comes to kidneys, health depends directly on how we treat our bodies daily. One detoxifier worth highlighting is NAC, or N-acetylcysteine, a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress on the kidneys. Think of oxidative stress as a silent rust that, if left unchecked, slowly corrodes kidney cells, compromising their function. NAC acts as a kind of cleaner, eliminating these free radicals before they cause further damage. Incorporating such detoxifiers into your routine not only protects the kidneys but can also bring a tangible improvement in kidney health, something that many chronic kidney disease patients have already experienced. However, it's not enough just to include detoxifiers in your routine, it's essential to understand how and when to use them. For example, the regular use of baking soda, under medical supervision, can help neutralize metabolic acidosis, a common condition in patients with advanced kidney disease. Similarly, phosphate binders help prevent vascular calcification, a serious complication of kidney disease. These steps, though simple, can make a significant difference in the kidney health of anyone willing to adopt a more proactive and informed care approach. Dietary changes are crucial. Diet plays a fundamental role in kidney health, especially for those facing chronic kidney disease. A personalized diet, carefully adjusted to meet each individual's specific needs, can not only prevent further damage but even improve kidney function. For example, reducing protein intake is one of the most recommended changes for patients with kidney issues, as excess protein can overburden the kidneys. Replacing meats with plant-based protein sources, like beans and lentils, can be an important step in the right direction. In addition to reducing proteins, it's essential to focus on a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. These foods are loaded with antioxidants and other nutrients that help protect the kidneys and reduce inflammation. Fruits like apples, grapes, and cranberries, for example, are known for their benefits to kidney health. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet is not just a healthy choice but a powerful strategy to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. Moreover, strict sodium control is vital to avoid fluid retention and hypertension, both deadly enemies of the kidneys. However, diet personalization isn't just about what to avoid, but also about what to add. Fiber-rich foods, for instance, help eliminate toxins from the body, easing the burden on the kidneys. And this is where many might wonder, what should I eat then? The answer is simple yet transformative: adopt a plant-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and avoid ultra-processed foods. These changes, when consistently followed, can result in a significant improvement in both kidney and overall health. Common myths debunked. When it comes to chronic kidney disease, many myths persist and, unfortunately, end up doing more harm than good. One of the most common myths is the belief that patients with kidney problems need high protein intake to maintain muscle strength. However, this practice can be extremely harmful, overloading the kidneys and accelerating the decline of kidney function. What many don't know is that a high-protein diet can do more harm than good for those struggling with kidney disease. Another frequently accepted myth is the idea that detoxifiers are ineffective or even dangerous for the kidneys. This notion ignores the fact that, when used correctly, detoxifiers like NAC and phosphate binders can actually help eliminate toxins from the body, easing the burden on the kidneys. These detoxifiers are powerful tools that, when combined with a proper diet and a healthy lifestyle, can bring significant improvement in kidney health. Ignoring these options due to outdated information is, without a doubt, a missed opportunity for many. Debunking these myths is crucial to allowing people to make informed decisions about their health. By demystifying these false beliefs, a path is open for more effective and less invasive treatments to be considered. This makes us reflect, how many other myths are out there, waiting to be exposed? The truth is that when it comes to kidney health, information is power, and having access to the right knowledge can be the difference between hope and resignation. Now that you know the strategies that can transform your kidney health, the question is, are you ready to act? The knowledge you've gained here has the power to completely change your life, but only if you decide to apply it. Think about how different your life could be a few months from now, with revitalized kidney health and a quality of life that many would believe to be impossible. But this will only be possible if you take the first step. So, what are you going to do today to protect and improve your kidney health? Will you continue to accept old beliefs, or will you adopt a new approach that can truly make a difference? I challenge you to start right now. Try the suggested changes, incorporate natural detoxifiers, adjust your diet, and observe the results. You will be surprised by what is possible to achieve when you commit to your own health. And if you want to continue learning and discovering new ways to improve your health, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any of the upcoming videos, full of valuable tips that can change your life. Let's go on this journey together because your kidney health deserves this dedication and care.